Howdy, YouTubers. How's everyone doing today? Went to Best Buy with my mom and dad. They had to pick up some stuff. So I just walked around and looked at some stuff. There's nothing really I want to pick up. So right before I left with my parents, I found this nice item that I really need for my tablet. It was in the checkout area. Here it is. Hopefully it works. Boom. A mini speaker. It's only like $9.99 plus tax, so like $10. I hate all this damn plastic. Hopefully it works. Very cool. I think the wire is inside of this thing. Hopefully, if not, okay, let's take it back. And I got my tablet with me, then we could do a little demonstration. Oh yeah, there it is. There is a cord, and hopefully it works. I got free Wi-Fi because I'm very close to the house. So, hopefully this freaking works. That's what I need. Because if in case I don't want to use my headset, I could just use this if I'm outside in the summertime, or if I talk to people on Skype. Come on. Is it the other way? Ooh. Now bear with me, this is the first time I ever using this. Okay, excellent. Okay. Now I got one of my videos from YouTube for okay, let's see. Hopefully it works. Come on. Okay, here it is. Okay. Here's the screen. Probably can't see very well. Let's see if it works. Oh, I gotta turn it on first. That will help. And let me know if it's a big difference. Hopefully it is. Come on. Let's see. Hopefully it works. Oh wow. Oh wow, sweet. Hey, it's good sound. This is my podcast if you want to know. Damn, that's pretty good sound. For $10.
Yo, what up, wrestling fans? It's me, Team Rai, for another podcast.
Listen.
Now, in this podcast, it'll be a little different for a change. I'm going to ask my friend some questions about anything. So, my friend, you want to say hi to all your friends out there on YouTube world?
Hey YouTube, it's Jamin here with another video along with Team Rai.
Yep.
And he's going to be asking me some questions.
Yep. So
I'm ready.
Okay, then. Okay, first question is, are you looking forward to WrestleMania 30?
Of course, I'm always looking forward to WrestleMania. WrestleMania is the biggest show of the year.
Can you see that, guys?
Sometimes the best show of the year. Like last year, I thought WrestleMania 29 was my favorite show of the year. And I always look forward to WrestleMania.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? So not a bad price. Oops, I don't want to break this. I think it stays up, doesn't close. That sucks. So, what's your thoughts? How many megabytes? It's 40 mm. It's pretty damn awesome. So that's just a little preview from my, if you're a huge wrestling fan like myself, I do podcasts, I do Bears podcast, a lot of good stuff. So, not bad. It's called Portable Mini Speaker System. So that's not bad. It's by, not too sure if you can see that. Now I was going to show you my tablet, the picture of my friend made for me, Tony, but it's too much sun out here in this vehicle, so I apologize. At least it works. So instead of using these headphones, I'll show you what kind of headphones I got. These, I bought these at Five Below recently, and they work. You just put it over your ears. So I love these. Good sound, and plus I could use this for my Skype. I think I talked to my friend called HBK Fan 25 recently, and it works. He said it came out very, very clear, so that is a good thing. So if you have a place called Five Below, I recommend you shoppers pick it up. It's only $5. Now, of course, most of you have a Best Buy. If you don't, then you probably could order online. Is this? It's good for, if you don't have a tablet, it's good for cell phones, of course, tablets, MP3 players, and laptops. So I could use this on my laptop. I gotta test that sucker out to get more boost, get more surround sound, I guess. So that's it for me. This is just a short video. I love your opinions, your thoughts, and have a great Sunday. Later.